Yeah, you know who it is now, no? Yeah, see.
Oh no! Was she scared at first? Come on,
No, what are you? Oh! Oh, fuck. I fucking knew you brought that. Just tell him that. What's going on? No shit. No shit.
Oh, that's brutal.
What the fuck was that? Bro! Dude, get me out of this thing, bro. It fucking stinks.
I need a big roar, guys. Roar! Oh, you dead!
Ew. Why did you do that?
I didn't put.
I'm gonna pop this thing.